Looking polished and put together does not need to have an expensive price tag on it. Today, I'm sharing with you some tips on how to have an affordable beauty maintenance routine so that way you can feel pretty and polished no matter what your budget is. Tip number 1 is multi-use beauty products. What's awesome about products you can use multiple ways is you're really getting your bang for your buck. One product that I love is almond oil. I use it for so many different reasons. One is to remove my makeup. It melts my makeup off and it also doesn't clog my pores. It's very nourishing for the skin, so I use it as a body oil. It also works as a sheen for my hair and also for my hot oil treatments. There's just so much I can get out of this $12 bottle of almond oil. I also love the clear pore cleanser because it works as a really good face cleanser to prevent major breakouts, and it also doubles as an intensive mask if you let it harden on your face. That has a lot of good benefits. I just think that it's really important to look at products to see if you can use them in multiple ways, or even try to look for products that are marketed as multi-use products. What's great about these is not only are you saving money, but you're also saving space. I went on a trip and misplaced like half my luggage, but one of the only toiletries I had left was my almond oil, and I realized that I can really pack light when I bring products that I can use in multiple ways. Number 2 is at-home gel manicures. Don't get me wrong, I love to go get my nails done at the salon every once in a while, but nothing beats the convenience of being able to do a gel manicure at home. Not only does this save money, but it also saves time. I feel like sometimes keeping up with getting my nails done, it was just a time constraint and making it work into my schedule. So I like the convenience of being able to do a manicure that's going to last a long time right here at home. Also, my goal this year is honestly to take better of my natural nails. Last year, I wore a lot of acrylic, and even though I loved the way that they looked, I will say that the health of my natural nails did kind of suffer. So I'm kind of starting from scratch this year, and I'm just trying to work on growing out my own nails and take better care of them. And I do like gel manicures because I don't have to worry about my nails breaking, and it also just lasts for a long time. I even went and bought my favorite color that I always pick out at the salon from Amazon so that way I can have the color that I like here at home. Tip number 3 is luxury inspired perfumes. Same with nails, I do have a few luxury perfumes, but I will say that if you want a nice collection or you really just want a nice perfume at a fraction of the price, I do recommend trying out stores that sell dupes or inspired by luxury scents like Dossier. I actually have one from Dossier that's inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. It smells just like it. It's a citrus apple. It lasts long and I absolutely love it. So if you do want to try out, I'm going to link below. I mentioned Dossier, and there's other brands that just create these inspired by scents that you're able to get some really nice perfumes without paying over like $100 for a bottle, that I really recommend. And like I said, you can have a mix. If you are gifted perfumes or you like to treat yourself to a bottle of perfume every once in a while, it's nice because now you'll have a good collection to work with because you'll have a mix of the more affordable and the higher end. The next tip is affordable skincare. This is coming from someone who used to spend a lot of money on skincare. I had a $60 moisturizer, all these fancy serums, and even a higher end cleanser. And to be completely honest, what's more important than how expensive your products are or the fancy ingredients is just to have a good routine of double cleansing, a good toner, a serum, and moisturizer. And also understanding what your skin type is, because I have dry skin, so there's some things that my skin needs in the routine that maybe if you have oily skin, you might not need. So that's much more important than how expensive this skincare product is. In fact, I've linked below my skincare routine. Most of the products I can get now from my local drugstore, and I've actually added a new one. It's the e.l.f. hyaluronic acid. I think it's called Holy Hydration. I love it. I knew I needed to add some hyaluronic acid to my skincare, and I'm so glad I found this one. It's only $12. I've been using it now for almost 3 months, and I love the difference that it's made on my skin. So I definitely recommend doing some research to figure out what your skin type is, what you need, and then just read reviews and really see what products may work best for you. Like I said, I have my products that I use linked below, but it's good to look at the reviews and look at different things to see if you can add some more affordable skincare products to your routine. The next tip is affordable makeup. Now, I used to spend a lot of money on makeup and I regret it so much because for one, I wasn't wearing makeup that much to even be buying higher end makeup. But then also I just feel like you can get a really nice look with more affordable products, because what's more important not only are the ingredients but also your technique, like what you're doing. And there's a lot of more affordable clean makeup brands out there now too. So I'm going to link below some of my favorite brands. Ones that I like that you can get from the drugstore are Elf and NYX. I feel like the quality is really nice, and I've replaced a lot of my more higher end makeup with NYX or Elf products that I think are working just as well. I hope that this video was helpful. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I just really wanted to share some ideas on where you can save in your beauty maintenance routine so that way you can look pretty and polished without spending a bunch of money and still feel and look your best on a budget. I can't wait to see you in the next one, so be sure to subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content, and I'll see you later. Bye!